Okay, this is 70, number 14, lesson 70, number 14. So it says, write the equation of problem 13 as a sine. Well, 14 is going to be a cosine. We're going to start out with y equals, and then I always say maps, midline, amplitude, period, phase shift. What's the midline? That dotted line. It's halfway in between 14 and 10. So where must it be? I'm thinking 12. Is it 12? Yeah. So the midline, by looking at the 14 and the 10, we've deciphered that the midline is 12. The amplitude must be 2, because if that's 12 and it goes up by 2. So this has to be written as a cosine function. So I feel like what I would like to do with it is scoot it backwards, or scoot it to the left by pi over 2. So I'm going to let its amplitude stay positive. So it's going to be plus 2 cosine. Is there anything weird going on with the period? Is it something besides 2 pi? This is pi over 2, and this is 7 pi over 2. So what's the distance? The distance between pi over 2 and 7 pi over 2 is 6 pi over 2, isn't it? From here to here, if that's 1 pi over 2 and that's 7 pi over 2, which is 3 pi. Now 3 pi isn't the normal, the parent function's period. So you take the parent function's period and put it over what the new function is. So you're going to go 2 pi over 3 pi. That's going to just reduce to 2/3. So that's the number that goes for your period. And then I think we go like this. I see that there's a phase shift, so I'm going to go theta minus the phase shift. Okay? I think it got scooted to the right by pi over 2. The parent function did. So that would be theta minus pi over 2. Is it theta or x do we want? It wants x. I think that's it. 12 plus 2 cosine 2/3. Where did it go? 2/3. Yes, this is correct, you guys.